One of the top things people ask about Okinawa on Reddit and Facebook is, what's the weather like in winter? Can I still swim? Technically, the answer is yes, but let me break it down. Generally speaking, in Okinawa, the low temperature is never going to drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In October, the average temperature during the day is still in the 80s, so it is still hot outside and you will still sweat when you go outside. It's not till November when things actually start to cool down and the temperature for the day is in the 70s. In December, January, and February timeframe, the highs for the day are usually in the 60s while the lows are in the 50s. Winter in Okinawa is actually my favorite season because it's after the typhoon season of summer and before the rainy season of spring. The only slightly annoying thing about it is that it's always a little bit windy, but I'll take that over sweating any day. In terms of swimming during the winter time, it really depends on you as a person. I myself have swam comfortably through November in just a reef guard. It's not till like December through March that I think it gets a little bit cold, and even if I was swimming or scuba diving, I would wear like a 3 to 5 millimeter wetsuit. Because of the wind and the rougher sea conditions during the winter time, I would always recommend that you check the sea conditions before you get in the water. The Kadena Air Base posts daily sea condition updates on their website that I can link below, and there is also an Okinawa Ocean Safety Facebook group that you can join as well. They don't post every day, but they definitely post when the seas are at a caution level and you should not be swimming. If you are uncomfortable going into the ocean during this time, there are lots of guides and tour groups that could take you, as well as a couple roped off swimming areas in the ocean. 2 roped off beaches that I'm familiar with are Araha Beach and Odamari Beach. There are tons of snorkel and scuba companies to choose from, and I would recommend a quick Google search just to make sure that they're open during the off season or have normal operating hours. If you're not trying to get in the water and just want to know if you can enjoy the beach, like you absolutely can. Since it's the off season, there's a really good chance that you get the beach to yourself. I would say it just might be a little bit windy and a little bit chilly, so like bring some light layers, but otherwise you can totally still enjoy the beach in Okinawa in the wintertime. I also have a video about how to experience humpback whales in Okinawa that I can link for you as well. I go over how to view them from shore, my experience going on a whale watching excursion, and then also my experience going on a like swim with whales type of experience. And the last video that I will link right here is a list of 10 things to do in Okinawa during the winter time. It's one of my absolutely favorite times to be in Okinawa, and so I hope you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.